Hi, welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie. Today I got Honda CRV 2016 model. Basically have a look the dashboard, engine management light on, check system DPF sign on. Yeah, and the customer told me little bit hesitate to pick up the vehicle. However, like this problem we need a computer support, but I got the computer report at the moment. We'll see SRS one faulty code, lost communication with the PCM. Okay, right. The power, six faulty codes. Yeah, enter. Yeah, there is a one faulty code, P00BC mass airflow sensor signal lower than expect, right? PM accumulation quantity excess for the exhaust. Yeah, again fuel ratio P0133. Okay, this is AF sensor circuit range performance problem. I think AF could be airflow sensor, right? PM accumulation, yeah, P24A4, again problem for the air mass flow sensor, P00BC. I think we saw this one here, P00BC. Again another faulty code there for the same problem. Yeah, basically 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 faulty code for the DPF block. Yeah, next step what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a live data and have a look what's going on. Right, I got the differential pressure 2.8, you can see kPa, 2.8 kPa convert for the millibars, 28 millibars. When the car idle it's bit high. And have a look while RPM roughly 2500 here. Yeah, it's around 14.8, 15. 15 mean basically 150 millibars. Basically this DPF basically block. And I can see the mass airflow faulty codes. I'm going to check the mass airflow first before the job, because I feeling because of the mass airflow problem, too much air into the system, or they can't identify the figure for the air. It's look like a, what do you call, the boost leak. Basically if it's the boost leak, then your DPF clog up, that's why it's happened. However, I'm going to check the mass airflow sensor, and same time I'm going to check any boost leaking for the this car. Basically I'm not too much fussy for the boost leak because no any faulty code for the boost leak, but however I'll want to make sure everything okay after the repair. Because of that I'm going to check the boost leak and also check the mass airflow sensor, and if it need I'm going to change it. Right, while I inside the car I comment we need to change the this sensor, mass airflow sensor, and same time I talk about the boost leak. But when I came out from the car, I don't want to change this sensor because it's unnecessary money spending, and I said to you we need to do the smoke test, but I'm going to bypass my smoke test. Have a look, see, can you see this pipe split? That's why the causing problem for the DPF. Right, now we know the answer, but this is also came from the another garage. However, I said to him, he asked me to clean the DPF, But I said to him, look, I can clean the DPF, but if the problem come back, I can't take any responsibilities, or I can't give any warranty for my job. But after that, he's happy to do my diagnostic first. Yeah, this is the thing I found now. If I clean the DPF without do any assessment, then after week, 2 weeks, depend on the usage, this customer definitely come back and say, Charlie, you are shit, you are not good. Sorry for my language, and blaming to me. Yeah, that's why always I'm say to the customer, before clean the DPF, we need to find out what's the underlying issue. This is the underlying issue exactly. Then once I fix this one, once I clean the DPF will do his job his own without any hesitating. Yeah, that's why the people, once they see the light, they straight attend to clean the DPF. Yeah, it shouldn't do like that, because DPF mean, as I mentioned every time, it's self cleaning process. If it's not self cleaning, something not right somewhere, we need to find out the problem. Once they find out the problem, all happy, car happy, customer happy, end of the day, Charlie also happy too. Right, okay, no need to talk too much. I think I need to order from this one Honda or online. I don't know, I'm going to contact other garage and all depend on with them, because this is not my straight customer, direct customer. Anyway, yeah, leave it with me. I'll give more accurate details once I talk with the garage. Honda came back, they already replaced this hose. Yeah, then I'm going to do my cleaning process, but I'm not sure, because you can see these two pipes. I can't see where it's going in, which one is the front, which one is the back. I already remove one pipe, and I'll check with my manometer how about the pressure. If it the pressure high, when is the high pressure one, that's a front one, I'm going to inject the chemical. Yeah, now I'm going to start the car. Yeah, I can see bit high pressure around 71 millibars while the car idle. Yeah, then definitely that's a front one. Then I'm going to inject the chemical and clean from there. Right, I'll remove the other pipe also. Well, we'll see what happened to the this pipe. Right, right, we can see here no pressure. One, two. Right, okay, that's good. If you don't know which one is the front, which one is the back, this is the way you have to find. You can use nanometer. Right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to install this back one. Okay, now inject the chemical. Right, you can see it's going down, it's all went in. Yeah, yeah, okay, I'm going to install this hose. Just install, I'm not going to clip in. Right, after that I'm going to leave it 5 minutes like that and start the car. Right, I already left it 5 to 10 minutes. Then I'm going to start the car. We'll see the differential pressure here at the moment. 102 kPa. I can't change. We'll go to the chart if I can. No. Okay, graphic. Right. 19.2 differential pressure. This is the one I'm looking. At the moment, I'm not going to do anything. I'm going to leave the car as it is. After 10 minutes, I'll come back to you. You can see now while the car idle after 10 minutes, 1.6. That's mean it's like the still little bit high, 16 millibars, still little bit high, but not bad. It's came down a lot. To rave the car, RPM 2500. Have a look. 52 now millibars, 48 millibars. It's in the specs basically under 50 millibars. It's good now. 4.4 basically 440 millibars, while the RPM 2500. Yeah, we'll see when the idle 1.2. It's gradually coming down. I'm leave it another 5 minutes. Then after that, I'm going to reset with the computer and show you what's going on there. Right now, I am happy. 0.08 while it's car idle. I'm going to the special function. First of all, I'm going to switch off the car and ignition on. Take a faulty code first. Yeah, this two faulty code, because beginning you saw around 7 or something faulty code, then after replacing that pipe, air pipe, then after that garage, I think they might be reset. That's why these two might be they try to sort out with themselves. They couldn't do it. That's why I think this car came back to me. Anyway, it's not a problem for me. They try. It's good, at least they try. Now I try to clear the faulty codes and have a look. Yeah, it's complete. Now again, switch off the car, ignition on, and read the faulty codes. Still this faulty codes there, right? What we had to do, try to go to the freeze data. No, special function. Yeah, I'm going to learn differential pressure sensors. Pipe. Careful, this area now hot. Right. Inject the chemical. Now you all have a good idea what's going on and what happened here. Yeah. If you have any question, comment, suggestion, please mention below. I'll come back to you. Also, if you need to join with us, our WhatsApp group, link below, you can click that link and join with us. And also, if you're interested to start your own business with minimum budget like a 200, there is another link in the below. Follow that channel, then you can get a lot of ideas how we start the business with 200 pound. What's the point now? How we are now? Yeah, lot of things you can learn with us. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Right, I'm going to start the car, leave it another 10 minutes running. That's it. Thank you. Another job done. I don't know. DPF at blue Euro 6 problem. Now even Euro 7 on the way. 2 DPF, 3 NOx sensors, 2 EGR. I don't know where are we going to end.